Who doesn't love a great sandwich? And man, there's so many possibilities and variations. This is one insane Italian sandwich, and with my lineup of FN Sharp knives, you can't go wrong. Premium kitchen knives that are suitable for every job that you're going to tackle, whether it's the Santoku knife that I'm using here, whether it's that fillet knife, the bread knife that is serrated, and it's more than just bread that can be used with that serrated knife. You can use it to cut roasts. I am going to use it to slice up a tomato and some lettuce in this video as well. I have garlic butter seasoned up, going to toast my bread first because that's going to give the sandwich some structure. And then I'm going to make a little bit of a dressing. This is going to be for our veggies and cold cuts. Just some red wine vinegar, a little Italian seasoning, some mayo. Super simple, super flavorful. Into some romaine lettuce, you can use iceberg, whatever your favorite leaf lettuce is. It should be just fine. And then I got, as you can see, some tomato, some pepperoncini. I'm going to cut a big old thick slice here of the tomato because I'm going to chop everything together and just give a rough chop to it. And this is going to go into our sandwich. Some pepperoncinis, you can omit this if you want to do pickled jalapenos or some Italian cherry peppers. Again, you can kind of play around with different combinations. I've got a few different cold cuts here. I have some deli style or sandwich style pepperoni and some ham, but you can add different favorite deli meats that you'd like. I'm going to dress up our not only veggies, but also those cold cuts. And this is going to top what's coming next, which is Italian sausage. And I made it into a patty. This is just sweet Italian sausage that's ground, made it into a patty, got some nice color on it. I'm topping it with fresh mozzarella. You can use provolone, you can use a combination. Get that on the bread. You can even, as I'm going to do, grate a little fresh Parmesan right on top of that, just to add to that kind of Italian marker in this entire sandwich. And then that mixture with the veggies and the cold cuts, that's going to go on top of this. Now, I told you it's an insane Italian sandwich, and that's exactly what it is. It's just kind of over the top. It's not something you're going to eat every day necessarily, but boy, it's fun to make, and it's even more fun to eat. Let's cap it off with that other toasted piece of our sourdough. You can use ciabatta, whatever awesome sandwich bread that you might have available. Let's see the inside of this puppy. Oh, there it is. Fantastic. Talk about a flavor bomb. Visit fnsharp.com for this and more.